Understanding a sudden turn in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, a sudden turn. This phrase is commonly used in English and can be quite intriguing for learners. Understanding its meaning and usage will definitely add to your English language skills. So, let's dive in. A sudden turn literally refers to a quick or unexpected change in direction. Imagine you're walking or driving and suddenly you change your path. That's a sudden turn. This concept is easy to visualize and understand in a physical context. It's about something happening unexpectedly and rapidly. In everyday English, a sudden turn is often used metaphorically. It describes a quick, unexpected change in situations, events, or even emotions. For example, if a story takes a sudden turn, it means something unexpected happened that changes the direction or outcome of the story. Let's see how a sudden turn can be used in sentences. The conversation took a sudden turn when they started discussing politics. Our peaceful hike took a sudden turn when we encountered a wild animal. These examples show how the phrase can describe changes in various contexts, from conversations to events. A common mistake learners make is using a sudden turn in the wrong context. Remember, it's used to describe something unexpected and significant. It's not suitable for gradual or predictable changes. I hope this video helps you understand and use a sudden turn correctly in English. Remember, it's all about unexpected and significant changes, either literally or figuratively. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.